Hey guys, welcome back to Math Studio Live. This is part 5 of Lessons with Lab tutorial on perspective drawing. In this video, we will learn how to personalize your room by doing some interior design. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, I suggest you do it right now before watching this one. If you find this tutorial useful and informative, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification button for upcoming videos. Don't forget to also show your support by liking my video. Today's topic is basic interior design. This will be my last tutorial video for this particular lesson. As usual, let's go ahead and take out a sheet of paper, pencil, and ruler so we can begin. In this lesson, we will learn to do 5 things. We will learn to make wall accessories, table, couch, chair, and shelf. First, let's make our room. Connect the corners of your shape to the vanishing point, then draw your line outwards like this. Okay, let's start off with the easiest to do, and that is the wall accessories. Wall accessories have a common set of steps. First, draw a vertical line anywhere on your wall. Connect the top and bottom part of that line to the vanishing point, but stop halfway. Cut it off with another vertical line and make a frame by repeating the lines inside it. Notice the space on the first half of the frame is thicker than the one at the end. You can make it into a mirror by drawing these short diagonal lines. You can also make it into a painting on a wall by drawing a thin rectangle on the side of the vertical line. Or you can make a flat screen TV by adding a trapezoid shape after it. You can keep repeating this technique and add more things to your wall. Next, let's make a table for the room. Draw a thin rectangle and connect all its corners to the X, but stop halfway. Cut the sides off, then draw 2 vertical thin rectangles. Draw a horizontal line under the 2 rectangles to make sure they are even. Connect the bottom corner of these rectangles to the X to align and draw the back legs of your table. Make sure the back leg is thinner than the ones in the front. Since the 4th leg is hidden within the table, we won't draw it. Next, we will make a couch for the room. We can put the couch anywhere, but for this one, I will show you how to flush it to the wall. First, draw an L shape and align the lower right corner to the wall's edge. Erase the lines inside the shape and connect its corners to the X. Cut the sides of your L shape to the length you want your couch to be. Erase the lines you don't need and draw a small rectangle above your L shape like this. Again, erase unnecessary lines. Connect the top left and top right corners of your rectangle to the X. These lines will be used to create your second rectangle at the end. Cut the sides for both of your rectangles and erase the lines you don't need. You just created the armrest for your couch. Drawing a chair is very similar to the couch, except that instead of drawing an L shape, we will do a lowercase h. Cut the sides of your H wide enough to look like a chair than a bench. To make the back legs, draw 2 vertical lines down to the diagonal line going X. Cut the bottom off with a horizontal line and align it with the other back leg. Draw the sides of your leg and erase all the lines you don't need. Lastly, let's make our shelf for the room. Draw a vertical rectangle. For this one, we will need to connect all the corners of your rectangle. Cut the back on all 4 corners so you can see another rectangle. Create a frame on the left side of your shape. Draw 2 lines within your frame going to the vanishing point. Double up these lines to make shelves. Draw a horizontal line on the back rectangle to cut your shelves. From this corner here, connect to the vanishing point and draw a line outwards. So this concludes my lesson on basic interior design perspective. Go ahead and practice this lesson during your spare time and try it out without instructions. Before I go, here is a time-lapse video of just how creative you can get by understanding basic interior design perspective. This is Matt Studio Live, signing off.